Hello everyone, my name is Saroj Bhangade. Today date is 26 February 2022. Today video topic is E2A guideline, code of regulation and European Union law. What is so we discuss the E2A guideline. ICS releasing the number of guideline on various topic of the pharmaceutical product. The guideline of ICS divided into the four categories. First is the quality, second is the safety, third is the efficacy, and fourth is the multidisciplinary guideline. The efficacy guideline. The consists of the guideline data mainly concerned with the design, conducted safety and reporting of the clinical trial. The first is E2A. E2A is a clinical safety data management. These documents give the standard definition and terminology for key aspects of the clinical safety reporting, and this is the ICH harmonized guideline was finalized under step 4 in October 1994. Second is the E2B, clinical safety data management, data element for transmission of individual case safety report. Third is the E2B implementation. It is a covered electronic transmission of ICSR. In this guideline started on the electronic requirement on ICSR. Fourth is the E2C, periodic benefit risk evolution report. The ICH harmonized guideline was finalized under the step 4 in November 1996. This guideline is intended to ensure that the worldwide safety experience is provided to authorities at the time after marketed with the maximum efficacy and avoiding duplication of the effort. Next is the E2C. The revision of E2C is introduced to the traditional introduced to new concept and a principle link to evolution of the individual PSUR periodic safety update report from an interval safety report to communicate benefit risk report with the change in the focus from individual case report to more aggregative data evolution. Next is the E2D, post approval safety data management. The ICH harmonized guideline was finalized under step 4 in November 2003. This document provides the standardized procedure for the post approval safety data management and guideline for gathering and reporting information. Next is the E2E, pharmacovigilance planning. The ICH harmonized guideline was finalized under the step 4 in November 2004. The main focus of this guideline is on safety specialization and PV planning, pharmacovigilance planning that might be submitted at the time of the license application. Next is the E2F, development safety update report. The ICH harmonized guideline was finalized under step 4 in August 2010. The guidelines mainly work on the ADR happen in a clinical trial. Next is the E6, good clinical practices. The harmonized guideline have been amended in 2016. This guideline main works to encourage the implementation of improve and more efficient approaches to clinical trial design, conduct, oversight, and recording and reporting. Next topic is the Code of Federal Regulation. It is the first codification of the rules and regulation published in the Federal Register by the federal government of USA. These are considered as the binding in the court of law. The ICFR, the Code of Federal Regulation is divided into 15 titles. Each title consists of chapter, sub-chapter, and a part and section. Each title is revised in once every calendar year. The annual update cycle for various title is follows. Title first to 16 updated in January 1st. Title 17 to 27 updated in April 1st. Title 28 to 41 updated in July 1st, and title 42 to 50 updated in October 1st. Of this 50 title, the title 21 govern the rules of food and drug administration. The title 21 is divided into three chapter. Chapter first is a FDA upon the Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act. Chapter second is a Drug Enforcement Agency. Chapter third is a OND, Office of National Drug Control Policy. The regulation pertaining to pharmacovigilance are follows. The Title 21 Code of Federal Regulation, Section 310.305 is prescribe the drug marketed for human use without an approval application. Next is the Title 21 Code of Federal Regulation, Section 314.80 is a human drug with approved by the NDA. Next is a Title 21 Code of Federal Regulation, Section 312.832 Investigational New Drug Safety Report. Next is the Title 21 Code of Federal Regulation, Section 314 is .98 human drug with the approved by abbreviated new drug application. Title 21 Code of Federal Regulation, Section 600.80 is a human biological product with the BLA. Title 21 Code of Federal Regulation, Section 600.81 is a human biological product with the approved by BLA. Next is the European Medicine Agency. There are 27 members of the European Union, and European Medicine Agency is the centralized body for the regulation. The function of EMA is as follow. First is the market authorization. Second is the safety monitoring medicine. Third is the refer. Fourth is the inspection. Fifth is the telematics, and sixth is the stimulating invention. The operation of the European Medicine Agency started in 1995. In July 2012, new pharmacovigilance region become applicable in the European Union to support the implementation of the new legislation of the set of guideline good pharmacovigilance practices were developed and adopted. This replaced the previous set of the guideline in the volume 9A. The legal framework from the pharmacovigilance of medicinal product for human use in the European Union in the regulation European Community 726 by 2004. This regulation is now replaced in the European Union 2135 by 2010 and derivative 2001 83 European Community and derivative 2001 by 82 by European Community of the Community correlating to the medicinal product for the human. This is the efficacy guideline for ICH Code of Federal Regulation and European Medicine Law. Thank you.